Hello friends. Today we have brought some health related facts for you which will be very beneficial for you. So without wasting time, let's start. Fact number 1. Foods that are gluten-free does not mean it's healthy. The trend for organic and gluten-free food is continuously rising. However, what most people do not realize is that this is not necessarily always the healthiest option. Junk food can also be made with gluten-free and organic products. Fact number 2. Diets are not effective. Here is one of the amazing nutrition facts about diets is diets only provide short-term results, whereas lifestyle changes make major impacts on your overall health. Regular exercise will keep you in shape longer rather than going on and off a particular diet plan. Fact number 3. The skin of apple contains most of its nutrients. Peeling an apple will cause you to miss out on 50% of its total fiber. You also lose about 30% of its vitamin C nutrients. Fact number 4. Eggs are high in nutrients. Recent studies have shown that cholesterol from eggs has no direct effect on raising blood cholesterol. Hundreds and thousands of healthy people were tested and found no signs of an increase in the risk of heart disease. Fact number 5. There is no need to eat every other hour. Some people follow diets that require eating smaller meals more frequently in hopes to lose weight. However, research has found that this does not have any connection to fat burning or body weight. Rather, when it is time to eat, it is best to stick to a healthy and nutritious options. Fact number 6. Fruit juice is the same as soda. Despite coming from healthy sources such as fruits, the added sugar make these beverages just as unhealthy as any sugary drink. Fact number 7. Supplements cannot provide the full benefits that real foods provide. The amount of nutrients your body gets from vitamins are relatively small compared to eating a piece of fruit or vegetable itself. Regularly taking vitamins and relying on them alone cannot give you the full nutritional benefits that the human body needs to stay healthy. Fact number 8. Not all vegetable oils are healthy. Soybean, sunflower, and corn oil all contain large amounts of omega-6 fatty acids, which increases the chances of low-grade inflammation in the body. Oils with this fatty acid may also contribute to oxidative stress, which helps heart disease form. We hope that you like our informative video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.